Josh Callen Santos, Stelvester Ajero, Philip Suson, and Justin De Dios.
Namin yung culture, i-connect sa lahat ng sector.
Yes, B19's speech at the Wannsee Trade Launch 2026.
Fashion, language, products, experiences, places, like, ano ba, tawag dyan? Ano ba yung tawag dyan? Tourism, lahat po yan gusto namin i-connect sa artist po namin. Nang sa ganun, makilala talaga yung kulturang Pinoy. Pero saan po papasok yung mga brands na, di ba? Parang it's about culture. It's also commerce. So, di ba, through our artists, through the collaboration, meron tayong pwedeng mag-build na talagang pwede natin ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. So, right now, ginawa po namin itong trade launch na to, hindi po para maghanap lang ng sponsorships. We're here to co-build with you and scale everything up so that we can introduce Filipino talent, Filipino products, all Filipino all over the world. So maraming salamat po muli sa pagpunta dito. Ay po yung SB19.
Yeah, Pinonic just gave an amazing speech, and that's what we wanted to hear from him, right?
We've always had this dream that in the future we'll be building a talent-led model, a system-led model more than just a talent-led model. So for us, the system infrastructure, maybe yung mga nakita nyo is what we have done and what we have been doing for this year. But for our roadmaps, we haven't been able to plot it and you haven't seen it. But soon, everyone and everything here in Wannsee will be under one roof, from vertical integration to talent development, and syempre, to us to be a global cultural export. So yun po, maraming salamat po. And I know that you guys are actually here to listen to our visions and dreams, and we are here to co-build with you. And ayun, welcome to the new norm, and welcome to the new system. Welcome to the zone.
Wow, absolutely amazing. They just shared like their vision and their goals for 2026. They want to do a lot of things in 2026, and of course, they're directors, they're the owners of Wannsee, and they make a lot of decision, and financially as well, they help a lot. So yeah, I mean, their goal is huge, guys, and we're gonna see like in future what decision they take, and what kind of vision they're into, and of course positive vision, as Josh said, and let's wait and see.